Hello and welcome to your XNA tutorial number 6, and today we are going to draw a sprite on a screen, and the sprite I'm going to use is this ship. And before that, let me just show you the game window, and we are going to run our game for the first time. And to do that, click this green triangle or arrow or whatever that is, or press F5. And this is our game window, and it looks lame, but we are going to fix that in the next tutorial, so don't worry about that. And the first thing we need to do is declare a variable, and this variable will be a texture, a two-dimensional texture that represents this image. So texture 2D, two-dimensional texture, and I'm going to call this ship. Now we need to tell XNA, we need to load this image in we need to load this image, and we need to tell XNA that our ship texture is equal to that image, because XNA can't understand images. XNA only understands textures, so that's why we need to do this. And to load our texture, our image, we need to go to our load content function, and below that there is the unload content function. I'm sorry, and this is where you destroy whatever you have loaded when you don't need that anymore. And we are going to work with the load content function. So our texture called ship is equal to our game content, and we are going to load, so content.load makes sense. Now a less than sign, and because we are working with the two-dimensional texture, a texture 2D, like in our variable texture 2D, this will be texture 2D, and now parentheses, close this with a semicolon, standard for C languages, as you can see. And now you need to tell XNA where your image is, and our ship image is inside the images folder, so images double backslash and ship. Now this would work, but if you don't want to use the two backslashes, you can just use one, but you need to add this at below, before the path, before you tell XNA where your image is. So now this is our image is loaded, our texture, our ship is equal to our image. It converts our image into a texture, two-dimensional texture that XNA can handle. Now we need to draw this, so let's go to the draw function. And to draw, when you draw a sprite on XNA, you need to use something called the sprite batch. And first you need to use a function called begin, so sprite batch.begin, and then you need to end this sprite batch.end. And between these two functions you can draw using the sprite batch. So sprite batch.draw. Think about sprite batch as a pen. Think about that, yeah, because sprite batch, you use sprite batch to draw everything, so it's like the XNA pen, and you tell sprite batch what you want it to draw. And this accepts 3 parameters. There is many overloads for this function, but we are going to use the one that has only 3 parameters. And the first parameter is the texture that we are using. Mine is called ship. Then, I'm sorry. Then we need to tell XNA where we want to draw this texture, and just make this vector2.0. I'm going to explain that in the next tutorial. Don't worry about that. And because we don't want to change the colors of our sprite, make it color.white. So save this and execute this. And as you can see, here it is, our sprite. I'm going to close this, and well, this is how you draw a sprite. So thank you very much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, The New Geek Space, and I see you next time.